Hello everyone. So on this video, we're going to teach you all how to say 11 to 20 in Abiriba language. Ayala chikwala imunu ilade eji agun iri olu ruo tolu. 11.
Iri olu.
12.
Iri ebuo.
13.
Iri eto.
14.
Iri eno.
15.
Iri iso.
16.
Iri ishin.
17.
Iri esa.
18.
Iri esato.
19.
Iri tolu.
20.
Ohu.
Well done. Excellent. Ibalita ike. You all should try that and practice. Ngwa unu paella. Repeat it. Paella. Paella ilobo yo kwaruno ho. I just said you repeat it as many times as possible so you get used to it. All right. Take care. Ngwana. Godene. Bye bye. Ngwe odo.
Bye bye.